Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to write a sci-fi novel with Jasper AI. So first and foremost, you have to go to any web browser and create your account here in Jasper AI. You have to take note that Jasper AI is not for free. So once you have added or created an account right here, you need to try their basic version and you need to purchase in order for you to simply use their features. However, I'm going to show you still how to create a sci-fi novel with Jasper AI. This is just a basic tutorial step by step on what to do. So first you have to sign up and log in. Go to jasper.ai or www.jasper.ai, create an account. And then once you have opened your Jasper AI, you will see there two mode, boss mode or creator plan. So you can just basically choose from any. So here you can create your workspace. You can answer the following here. But once you're on their dashboard, you need to avail one of its plan in order for you to unlock these wonderful features. So once you're on your Jasper AI, you can see their document editor. All you have to do is to open that document editor, click on documents in the sidebar. You can choose start from scratch or use the blog post template as a writing base. This gives you blank canvas to write long form sci-fi content. Now, step three, you have to set up a sci-fi novel brief. So tell Jasper what your novel is all about. Use the power mode or the chat feature and input a command. For example, write a sci-fi novel outline about a dystopian future where AI controls the last human city, or create a 10-chapter outline for a sci-fi novel involving space travel, alien civilizations, and time loops. So everything is up to you. This is just my own prompt. So you can create your own and you will get an instant chapter like chapter 1, the last launch, chapter 2, a message from Andromeda, chapter 3, and so on. Now, step four, you have to start writing chapter by chapter. So you can use again using Jasper.ai. Use commands like write chapter one of my sci-fi novel. The main character is rogue space pilot named Kael, who discovers a lost alien signal. Jasper will generate paragraphs based on your script or input. So you can also type slash and then command mode. For example, slash continue the story with suspense and vivid detail, slash describe a futuristic alien city using rich sci-fi imagery. Now, step five, you can use templates and tools. So inside Jasper AI, you will see their writing tools like creative story template, good for short scenes, sentence expander, great for enhancing simple phrases, tone adjuster, make your dialogue more mysterious, intense, or futuristic. And step six, you can edit and refine. So you can read through chapter Jasper generates, rewrite or expand scenes using specific prompts like make this more dramatic, okay, make this a more energetic, add dialogue between the captain and the AI. So you can use the rephrase or fix grammar features to polish the flow. Step seven, world building and character development. So you can ask Jasper AI to help you flesh things out. And then step eight, wrap up the story. So you can ask Jasper AI, write a compelling ending for your sci-fi novel where the protagonist sacrifices himself to save Earth. After that, you can copy everything and then paste it to your Word and publish it anywhere. Basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.